Hello children, welcome back. Children, in the first two videos we have discussed in the topic dictionary skills, the first thing, why to use a dictionary. And in the second video we have seen different kinds of dictionaries. Fine children? Now today we are again starting with the same topic, dictionary skills, but how to use a dictionary. Yes children, now see, dictionary, we can also use the term word book. Dictionary is also known as word book and it's a very thick book. So it's very sure that there is a fixed pattern to use a dictionary. Now what is that? So the first thing, everyone should be very well versed with that, is the alphabetical order. Now alphabetical order, as the term itself suggests, itself describes the meaning, alphabetical order. It means A to Z, A, B, C, D. As you know, these are the letters. So the arrangement of letters A to Z is called the alphabetical order of the letters. A, B, C, D are letters and A to Z is the alphabetical order of the letters. Yes children? Now how to do the alphabetical arrangement of the words, that is very important. So with three examples we can try to understand it. Now see, here 4 words are written: mango, aeroplane, cottage and pilot. Yes children? So the first thing, you keep it in your mind while arranging the words alphabetically is to see the first letter. Yes, to see the first letter of every word. Now see, mango, the first letter is M, aeroplane A, cottage C and pilot P. M, A, C and P. Now fortunately all the 4 letters are different. Yes children? So how we can do the alphabetical arrangement? Now according to A to Z we can arrange the alphabets. So first of all comes A. Yes? So aeroplane will be the first word then. First. Then after A, B comes, but there is no word which starts with B. But there is a word which starts with C. So cottage comes at the second number and third one. Now 2 words are left, mango and pilot, M and P. So M comes before P. Yes, in ABCD. So mango comes at the third one and pilot fourth. So we are done with that. Now what is the correct alphabetical arrangement? Aeroplane, cottage, mango and pilot. Isn't it easy children? Yes, it's easy because all the 4 letters which we have taken into consideration were same. But in all the cases it's not like that. Now try to understand in the next example. See here, astronaut, butterfly, nest and boxing. 4 different words: astronaut, butterfly, nest and boxing. So the first rule, pay attention to the first letter. Astronaut A, butterfly B, nest N and boxing again the first letter is B. Now what is the difference here? When we compare it to the first example, children, here 2 words are there which starts with B. It means the first letter of 2 words are same. Yes? Okay, no problem, we'll see how we can do. Now A to Z, first letter is A and there is a word in which the first letter is A, astronaut. So automatically this will be the 1. Fine. Now the thing is, the twist is, there are two words, butterfly and boxing. There the first letter is same. So it's not possible. How we can arrange if both the letters are same, B and B? Fine. So forget that. Now pay attention to the second letter. Fine. Now the second letter here is U and here O. Yes. Now we can arrange both the words according to the second letter, U and O. Which comes before? O? Yes. So the second word will be boxing. Yes. The third one automatically will be butterfly and next fourth one. So astronaut, boxing, butterfly and nest. Fine. Now one more example we can see here. See. Kingdom, king, kind and kite. Yes. Here all the four words start with the same letter K. K, 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 K. So it's not possible, yes, for you all to arrange it alphabetically according to the first letter. Forget that. Fine. Now see the second letter. Here the second letter is I. In king also second letter is I. In kind also second letter is I. And in kite also second letter is Kai. It means in all the four words, first letter same, second letter also same. Now what to do? Move on. Okay. See the third letter. Now in kingdom, the third letter is N. In king, third letter is N. In kind, third letter is N. And in kite, third letter is T. Now, again, in the three words, the third letter is also same. Then, move on to the fourth letter. Now, in kingdom, the fourth letter is G. Here, in king also, G. In kind, the fourth letter is D. Okay. And here, the third letter was different. So, we cannot move on with the fourth one. Now, the process is done. Now, we have to arrange. How? For these three words, we can see the fourth letter. Now, see here. G, G, D and T. Now, in ABCD, which comes first? G, D or T? Yes, it's D. So, kind will be the first word. Then, G, G, G. Yes. So, king, the spelling of king is K-I-N-G. It ends up here. Fine. No other words are there. So, it comes at the second place. Then, of course, this one, kingdom. Third and the fourth will be kite. Why fourth is kite? Because T comes what? After G and D. So in this way, children, you have to do. It needs practice. Fine. If you will do practice more and more, it will be more clear to you. Fine. I'll give you an activity to you, the same alphabetical arrangement activity, but make it sure in your mind that if you want to use dictionary very easily and smoothly, you have to be very, very well versed with the alphabetical order. Now children, one more very important thing is guide words. Now what are guide words? I'll show you practically while using the dictionary. Children, if you have dictionary, any dictionary, if you have at your home, just open it. Okay, any random page you can open. Fine. You can see two words given at the top right corner of the dictionary. At every page, you can see two different words. Only two words at the top right corner of the page. That two words are called the guide words. And if you can see carefully, the first word is the first, like in the guide words, the first guide word is the first word of that page, and the second guide word is the last word of that particular page. So children, please keep it in your mind, the alphabetical order and guide words. Now I'll show you practically while using the dictionary.